What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So you've been following my channel for a while. You know, I've had my truck in this garage here for a little bit now, and yeah, I come out here usually on the weekends and just kind of tinker around. I recently did this work to the engine bay and stuff, but anyway, when I'm out here I got no food, no water, no nothing. So what I decided to do is I picked up something that I'm going to keep in this garage that I think is pretty cool. I want to show you guys. So it's a Travoca, it's an 80 watt eCooler. I'm going to open it up, let you guys see what it's like. We're going to put it in the garage, we're going to test it out, see how cold it gets drinks, and anyway, let's get started. So it's a beautiful day, so I decided to go outside. I went and cut the tape back on this. Flip the top up. Oh, there we go. Wow, this is cool. It's even got a Google Play and App Store. Look at that, this handle, like the bamboo handle. So that's for the plug-in. Nice handle on this side. Looks like you could plug it on this side as well. You can. So that's a cool feature. And then up here on top, divider. Here's the manual. Here's the power cord. We'll use that to plug it in. What locks it, makes it animal safe, and then push the handle up and unlocks it. Just these little levers here. So let's get it plugged in, see how quickly it drops temp. Alright, so my plan is I'll eventually get a table to set this on, but for now, that's kind of how I'm going to just use the box they sent it in. And let's get it plugged in, and we're going to see how quickly it gets cold and so on. So it comes with two different plug-ins. You actually get a car plug-in as well. Obviously, I'm leaving this in my garage. I'm going to use the regular plug-in. What we'll do is we'll take this piece here, we're going to plug it into the box just like so. Just like so. And then this here on the side. This is how we're going to plug this in. It goes this way. And then this, we'll just plug it to the outlet. Just like so. Green light's on. Alright, let's turn it on. Here we go. Nice. I like the screen. So right now it's set at 63 degrees. So I want to put it at 41 degrees for my beverage. I'll do 42. Right, now this is the other side. So see, this is for the big box. That's for the other side you want frozen. So go to that one there. We're going to go ahead and leave it at 32. And we're good. So what's going to happen is this side here will be 32 degrees. And this side here goes to 42. So if you look at the that box there and this box here, that's the difference. So this will be frozen. That'll be for beverages. I'm going to get my water and sit in there and see how quickly it gets cold. And we'll close this up. Notice the light on the side as well. And it's got a plug down to the bottom if you need to drain it out. Just one of the nicest coolers I think I've seen. Alright, so I went and scanned that QR code. I came up with this Travoca app. I'm going to go ahead and get it. And while that's uploading my phone, I've had this ice mount set in my garage for a few days now, just out of refrigeration. I'll put it in there and see how cold it gets. Alright, so we'll pick back up once this is installed. Oh wait, that was quick. Let's go and open it up. All right, and I add the vise. Quickly picked it up, hit the plus button. Meanwhile, you can hear it kind of beeping over here, but notice how it automatically selects the one I have. You can change it all the way to -2. See that, 42. Now this, notice how it says deep side here. You can turn it on or off. And then here's the shelf side. Current set temping is 32. We already changed it to. Let's go ahead and take that down to, let's say, I want to get stuff real good and cold, so we're going to say 28. Again, you can turn it on or off by here, so this is just kind of cool. Let you control it from a distance. So let's get a little time to get cold, and it's already dropped a little bit, and we're going to come back and check that out. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Let me go check on it. And look at that, exactly where I set it. Look at that, app already changing it. 28, let's see how cold the drink is. Definitely cool. All right, gang, camp season's official. Get your cooler ready. I'll drop a link down below. Hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button. This content is helpful to you. Subscribe. I want to say thanks for your support. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.
I'm on a mission. I'm paying